Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 23, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 23, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Saturday, November 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 23, 2024, Saturday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, November 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 23, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.